igakwanire okwero gwe serikali Gokinia Oboremi imiense ya Kenya abwasata ebire abaremi nigo bagenderete kwerikia chiburoka chia rusi waroro asiboigo ekerengo KW'ERIGESA riechibando giakinire asomwaka oyo iga RUTO nigaya kwana ya chinga kiomirana negesaku kiomoturukana ase nyomba yoborai bwense aiga somuche o Nairobi.
On agricultural transformation, we have registered farmers. We now have a clear database. We have removed the corrupt people and brokers and conmen. We have supported production. And we are now moving more towards irrigation of areas where you have seen. Kuna kitu hamjaona Galana, the things we are doing in Galana, which I want us to have a conversation about what we must do in Turkana. Yeah? So what has happened? Let us look at what has happened in that agricultural space. Wale watu wa sufuria walihama kutoka kwa street. Unga ile ilikuwa 240, now it is 160, 140, sometimes inakuja 120, and we will continue to apply pressure. What has happened? Mahindi tulikuwa tunazalisha, for those of you who follow, tulikuwa tunazalisha between 40 and 44 million bags every year. By God's grace, because we have supported farmers, na Mungu ametupatia mvua. Now, our maize production has gone up from 40 million bags. Last year, we had 65 million bags. Kahawa, bei ya kahawa imetoka 60 shillings, mpaka imefika 140 shillings per kilo. Ask the coffee farmers. We made more money in tea. In 2022, you can check the statistics. We got 138 billion from tea sales. Last year, we got 215 billion from tea sales. Ile miwa, nilienda kufukuza wale wakora. Yeah? We've enhanced the production of our sugar, 500,000 tons in 2022, 815 metric tons last year. And I want to promise you, as I promised the people of Kenya, in the next 3 years, Kenya will be a net exporter of sugar.